vuela, vuela. Hey, Bree, come here. The eyes on that is moving. Yep.
I was about to talk some shit about somebody.
You like it?
Yeah. How come I'm always in front of the camera? Let me ask you. Okay, come on. Do you like it? You having fun?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the Jaws.
Say only in America.
Only in America. My favorite part
was the Jaws. You didn't like the roller coaster?
That's what I'm about to say. It's between the Mummy roller coaster and the Jaws. I like the Jaws though. I don't know.
Well,
I like the I think I might like this too.
Now we're about to go in here. Krusty Land. They got the Men in Black over behind us. Yeah.
Got a foreigners here.
Well, you see the two little things that they had on the movie, the little... Yeah. So, that's what we're about to do. It's raining here, it's snowing there. Have fun, be safe, be careful. Let's roll.